Hey everyone, Daniel here. I just really quickly wanted to clarify how to use Clever, our single sign-on provider in Madison City Schools. Specifically today we're going to look at how to use Clever to access ChessKid, but it acts the same way no matter what. I'm currently on a Mac. You can see at the top right that I am signed in to Google Chrome with my Madison City Schools email address. If I were on a Mac or a PC, I would need to be signed in to Google Chrome. If I'm on a Chromebook and I launch Chrome, I will already be signed in. So if I'm at school on a Chromebook or any other device in Chrome, all I have to do is click the Clever link, which is this top right button right here. I'm going to click Clever, and now I can click Login with Google. If I'm signed into Google Chrome, it's just going to let me right in, especially on a Chromebook. In this case, I've got multiple Google accounts. I'll choose my school one, and then it lets me in. For students, they go directly to the next screen. For teachers and district admin, you're going to come to this screen. I'll select district admin. For students, you will immediately see a screen that looks like this. This is your app selector. So right now, I see ChessKid right here, and I'll click ChessKid, and it lets me right in. So that's at school. Now, if I were at home and I were a student, probably the smartest thing to do, you got two options. One is I can go to the district site, and then once I get to the district site, there are 4 tabs going across the top: parents, students, community, and employees. I will click students, and then I'll click Clever Login. It's at the very top. Once you click Clever Login, it's going to ask you to sign in with Google unless you're already signed in, and then you're going to be able to access ChessKid and then any other apps that you have been given via the district administrator. So that is the best way to do it. You can also, at any time, if I'll close that window and start a new one, at any time you can type in clever.com/in/mcsclever. That is our Clever link, and you'll go directly to your Clever app switcher. So hopefully this clarifies everything. I would recommend never going to chesskid.com anymore. Just immediately go to Clever anytime you need to access ChessKid from home or from school. Have a great day.